Hi kids. Kids, in this video we will trace A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. A. A to Z. Let's start. Pink color, brown color, pink color, black color, green color, orange color, violet color, yellow color, blue color, red color, sky blue color, and dark green color. Red color, kids, we are tracing letter A. A for apple. Green color, kids, we are tracing letter B. B for bat. This is letter C. C for cat. This is letter D. D for duck. Kids, we are tracing letter E. E for elephant. Kids, this is letter F. F for fish. This is letter G. G for green. Yellow color. Kids, we are tracing letter H. H for hen. Orange color. This is letter I. I for igloo. Kids, we are tracing letter J. J for juice. This is letter K. K for kite. Kids, we are tracing letter L. L for lion. This is letter M. M for moon. Kids, now we are tracing letter N. N for nest. This is violet color. And we are tracing letter O. O for orange. Pink color. This is letter P. P for parrot. Q. Q for coin. This is letter R. R for rock. Now we are tracing letter S. S for spider. This is letter T. T for tiger. This is letter U. U for umbrella. Sky blue color. V. V for van. Green color. W. W for well. This is letter X. X for xylophone. We are tracing letter Y. Y for yo-yo. This is letter Z. Z for zoo. Kids, read again. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. and Z. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.